If you're wondering how to use Monday.com for business intelligence, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock its full potential, even if you're just getting started. Monday.com is a popular project management tool, but did you know it has some powerful capabilities when it comes to business intelligence? Let's dive into how you can take advantage of these features to make data-driven decisions and boost your team's productivity. First thing, Monday.com lets you centralize all your data. Whether it's sales numbers, customer feedback, or project progress, you can easily gather and organize your data into dashboards that are easy to read. The visualizations are highly customizable, allowing you to create charts and graphs that highlight the key metrics you care about. Next thing, automation. One of the key selling points of Monday.com is the automation tools. You can automate tasks like notifying team members about changes or sending reports. While this won't do deep analytics for you, it does free up your time to focus on the critical insights you need from your business intelligence. The third thing, integrations. Monday.com offers numerous integrations with other software. You can sync data from tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and even popular BI platforms like Tableau. This means you won't have to manually import or export data, making the whole process much more seamless. Now, when it comes to reporting, Monday.com does offer some useful features, but it's not as robust as some of the more specialized BI tools. You can create reports, but they're pretty basic compared to the more detailed insights you'd get from software built specifically for business intelligence, like Power BI or Tableau. Next, we have the flexibility of Monday.com's workspaces. This allows you to create custom dashboards for different departments or projects. If you're in charge of multiple teams, you can tailor your BI setup for each group, making it easier for everyone to access relevant data. But here's the catch: while Monday.com's BI features are great for small teams or those just starting to experiment with business intelligence, it's not the best for companies that require deep analytics or complex data modeling. The reporting and analysis capabilities are limited compared to some competitors. Now, if you're looking for something more advanced and specialized, I'd recommend checking out alternatives like Microsoft Power BI or Tableau. Both of these tools offer far deeper data analysis, custom reports, and better visualizations for advanced BI needs. Before you go, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can access an extended free trial of Monday.com through our link. But if you're looking for more robust business intelligence capabilities, I've also added some incredible alternatives with free trials of their own. These options offer more powerful BI tools and features that can help you scale your data analysis, and they come with exclusive benefits through the link in the description. So if you want to make more informed decisions, save time, and unlock the power of business intelligence, make sure to check out the free trials and see which platform works best for you.